Kyla Blight collapsed and turned blue after a small blister on her lung, called a bleb, is thought to have burst from excessive vaping, creating a hole in her lung.
I could only be in one position without any pain.
Gosh.
So when walking around, and that was really difficult. So I told my dad, and he took me up to the hospital, where we knew there was something wrong when they took us straight in and said that I had to have an X-ray straight away, and then told me I had to have a drain put in to remove all that air that was collapsing my lung. And then after that, because the drain didn't work, we had to have surgery.
Kyla used to go through a 4,000 puff vape every week. Her dad was also a heavy smoker, and for the last 13 years used vaping as a way to give up smoking, which has been promoted by many, including NHS England, as less harmful than smoking.
When she was having an operation, I went down to their shop and I bought one to try it, and it was gorgeous. It really was gorgeous. So you can see the attraction to the kids.
Her dad has now given up smoking and vaping entirely after Kyla's collapse.
To me, I mean, it's just a bit of pipe, but yeah.
It's got nothing in it?
Nothing in it at all. Yet your mind's telling you it's working.
Across the country, more young people are presenting with vape-related health conditions, but in limited numbers and less extreme than Kyla's case.
Leading them to have a greater burden of respiratory illnesses. For example, when they catch a cold, they're struggling more with a bronchitis. Those who are prone to asthma are wheezing more. And we're starting to see that come through our clinics and also into our emergency departments. I wouldn't say there's very large numbers of that.
The advice from the NHS is if you smoke, try vaping. And if you don't smoke, don't vape. And Kyla has this message for others her age who are vaping.
I just don't think they should do it to themselves. It's not worth it, really. I know it's fun and people think it's cool now, but not worth it at all.
Isla Todd, ITV News.